Good morning and welcome to the WickerShire project. What's going on, people? It is the king of the Shire, aka Mr. Bill. We just brought our plants that we have in the 72 seed starter kit, brought that outside. We don't have a greenhouse here and we don't have any grow lights. So those plants are going to be super leggy every day. I bring them out here in the morning and I bring them in at nighttime, as long as there's no severe wind. It's kind of heartbreaking to start something like this, only to know that I guess we're partially failing. I'm trying to fix and right the problem. If I can get some really good sun this week, they should straighten themselves out. The last time we grew pumpkins indoors, they were also super leggy, just leaning over. And it took them about, I would say, 3 to 4 weeks to straighten up. Lesson learned. Once this tiny home is paid off in the next 6 months, we'll be able to afford a much better setup and get a greenhouse set up in the back. It doesn't need to be expensive. I just need the materials to build it. So I'm going to leave those plants out there and let them get as much natural light as possible. In the back, that's where the 900-pound monster of compost went. Some of the neighbors came over and took some. That's fine. I share with everybody. There's more than enough compost manure to go around. Feel free to stop by and take yourself a 5-gallon pail. I won't miss it. Let's take a peek and see what's growing in the first 72 cell here at the Shire. Because we don't have grow lights, I have to bring these out every day. And it's a fairly overcast day, so I felt that it would be alright to bring these guys out here. It's a bit cool, somewhere in the 60s. Bear with me as I get this lid off. So that's looking really healthy. Much appreciation to Russ. Someday we'll have a greenhouse and I can prevent all this legginess. But I'm doing my best to bring them outside. Get a little bit of natural light. So I am seeing peppers coming up. There's definitely a lot of tomatoes. Can you guys see those crazy roots reaching out? That's pretty neat. I'll leave them out here as long as I can. The second cell is inside. That got fully planted. It's mostly tomatoes and peppers. Just a big lesson on why you might need grow lights or to get your plants out earlier. We've had nothing but cold and overcast these last couple of weeks since the plant's been germinating. Anywho, thanks for watching the WickerShire project. Cheer us on as we build our grow beds in the back, get that netting down, get those drip lines in, get ready for spring and summer, and we'll catch you on the next one.